SHIM stock, is it the right time to buy? Going to answer everything around that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. So Shimmick stock, Shimmick stock corporation is up 52%. There's a lot of hype around this thing right now, so let's talk about it. Now, just for context, all I'm using is just my strategy that's previously given me thousands of wins, and I'm telling you this because it is the truth, and I've like literally documented everything. So with SHIM, this is just looking from like a trend perspective. This thing just kind of went down, and then out of nowhere we're booming up. So obviously moving averages, we're above them. I don't use them, but looking at this thing, this is not going to be a bullish market for me as long as we stay below 442. This is what I'm talking about. 444, like, let's put it that way. As long as we're below that line, it's still going to be bearish market for me. And even if the price gives a rules here, even take it lower, you know, who knows? So I'm going to react. I'm not going to assume. That's what I've learned after 4 years, 24,000 videos. So if you want to learn the strategy for free, check the first link in the description. All the reviews are 5